If you're trying to enable Adobe Flash Player on Chrome, there's something important you need to know first. Adobe Flash is no longer supported. Adobe discontinued Flash because it had major security risks, performance issues, and it was replaced by modern HTML5 technology. So if you're looking for a safe way to open old Flash games or websites, the best option today is to use a Flash emulator instead. In this video, I'll show you the easiest workaround using Ruffle, and if this helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner of the browser. Click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings menu. From there, hover over Extensions. In the Extensions menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This takes you to the official Chrome Web Store, where you can safely install browser extensions. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, go to the search bar and type Ruffle. Ruffle is a Flash emulator that can run many older Flash animations and games without needing the original Adobe Flash Player. After you search, click on the result that says Ruffle Flash Emulator. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you install the official one. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a confirmation prompt asking for permission to install the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will download and install Ruffle automatically. Once it's installed, you may want to pin it to your toolbar if you plan to use it often, but that part is optional. Now try opening the old Flash content again. In some cases, the emulator will allow the content to work normally, especially with older games, animations, and simple interactive websites. Keep in mind that not every Flash file will be supported, but this is the safest and most practical method available today. And just to be clear, you should not try to reinstall old Adobe Flash Player files from random websites, because that can put your computer at risk. Since Flash is discontinued, the emulator route is the recommended solution. So that's how to handle Flash content on Chrome in 2026 using Ruffle instead of the original Flash Player. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.